This is experiment number 18. It is also the exception handling only. So develop a program for implementation of throw and throws clause. The throw and throws clause is used to explicitly throw an exception from a method or any block of code. It is mainly used for throwing the custom exception, that is a user-defined exceptions. Students will able to throw the user-defined exceptions. The practical is expected to develop the following skills. Develop a program to throw our own exception, that is user-defined exception using the throw clause. Write a program to predict the explicitly the certain kinds of exception using the throws clause. So implement exception handling and develop a program for implementation of throw and throws clause. So throwing our own exception, all the methods, that is the throw clause. All the methods in Java use a throw statement explicitly to throw an exception from a method or any block of code. The throw is a keyword in Java. Throw can be used for either checked or unchecked exceptions. It is mainly used to throw the custom exceptions. What do you mean by the custom exception? User-defined exceptions. Throwable instance, where throwable instance must be the object of type throwable or a subclass throwable. Throws, it is a keyword in Java. It is used to declare an exception. It is used with a method signature. Multiple exceptions can be declared through the throws clause. So type method name and throws exception list. So you can throws more than one exception by separating the commas. So difference between throw and throws clause, and next in which situation throw clause is used, and simple program for throwing your own exceptions. So difference between throw and throws clause. Throw is a keyword which is used to throw the exception explicitly in the program, inside the function or inside the block of the code. Syntax is throw keyword is followed by the instance variable. So example, that is, if condition is there, if age is less than 18, then throw, you have to, after the throw, you have to write the instance of that object. You have to throw object. So new arithmetic exception are not eligible for voting. And throws is a keyword used in the method signature, used to declare the exception which might get thrown by the function while executing the code. So example is what? Public class Java test. That is a method that throws the exception. Is it clear? So method के सामने method signature के सामने use करते हो तभी throws use करते हो. Throw use करेगा तो it is after that throw clause you have to write the object. In which situation the throw clause is used? The throw keyword is used to explicitly throw the exception from the method or any block of code. So throw and new exception. So user defined exception, for this user defined exception we are using this throw clause. Here write a program for this one, a simple program for throwing your own exception. So exp18b is there. I'll run this exp, I'll open this, open. Open exp18b Java file. Open. So class age exception, extends exception, public age exception, then you have to pass the message here. So call the constructor of the parent method, you are using the super keyword. And then void age check is a method that throws exception. So here throws age exception. And then throw, here throw and throws clause. If age is less than 18, throw then the instance, that is a new age exception not eligible for voting. So object, that is try इसमें you have to write this age check 12 and 12 you are passing. That means it is not eligible for the voting. So I will run this program Java C. exp 80b na b.java and then enter. So for the exception not eligible for voting, so you are passing here. So suppose if you are passing as a 19 here, so I'm saving this file and again I'm running. So you should compile it and run this. So there is no exception occurred here. ठीक है, हम लोग एक्सेप्शन नहीं ऑकर आएगा तो कुछ कोड नहीं लिखा नहीं, इसके लिए वो डायरेक्टली बाहर आ गए. सो दैट विल आई थिंक इसके बाद प्रोग्राम सेकंड है दैट विल कंप्लीट दिस exp 18.